Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, and let me just quickly turn on the grid lines. As you can see here, we've got this golden spiral applied, and I just wanted to show you evidence that the reset option will work, so it should disappear after resetting. Now all we have to do is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the option Restore Defaults, tap on it and tap on Restore to confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.